Hello guys, today we are making the chicken koftas. I have a 1 pound of chicken keema and I have 2 slices of bread, some cut coriander, 2 chili cutted in the small pieces and 1 big onion and 1 small onion, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of whole cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I have some khada masala. I have a star, 5 longs, 2 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, cinnamon stick and black pepper. Then I have again 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. And we have a 2 roasted tomato. Now I'm going to start marinate my chicken. So I have to put coriander, chili, salt and cumin. Little bit chili, you can put the chili according to your taste, and then coriander leaves. I have to put the bread, break like that. The bread you have to break in a small pieces because I'm going to mix up with the keema. This bread I am putting for the stronger bond. I'm going to mix up with my hands. You can mix up with the spoon or fork also, but with the hand you can mix up properly. It takes me like 2-3 minutes to mix up. I'm going to mix up small onion to cut in a pieces that I show you. I'm just going to add 1 spoon of oil in this one because then easy to make a kofta. Now I have to make a kofta like this size of bowl. Like that you make all the bowls like that. I just make only the 15 koftas. And now I'm going to save half my keema because I want to make this one later, the patties or something else. I'm just saving in the fridge. I'm just going to leave this one for 10 minutes, and the meantime I'm making the gravy for the koftas. I forgot to mention, for the gravy I need 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic, and I have a 3 tablespoon of yogurt. Now I'm going to start my gravy. I have to put my stove on full heat. Put the oil, 2 tablespoon oil, the whole jeera, cumin seed, let the fry little bit. My jeeras get brown. Now I'm adding the star, cloves, 5 cloves and 1 black cardamom, 2 green cardamom and the black pepper. I'm just going to add the garlic. Let it brown little bit, garlic. Now I'm just add my ginger. I'm just going to add my onion. And just stir this well. And it takes me like 7 minutes to brown the onion. We have to stir the onion, then it's not stick on the pan. So see, it's getting brown a little bit. Now I'm going to add my salt. Now see, my onion is like half is cooked. Now I have to add 1 spoon of hot water, and then I'm going to cover this for 2 minutes. Now it's 2 minutes. I'm going to check my onion. See, it's getting brown fast. I'm going to add little more water, and then I have to cover for 2 more minutes. Now it's 2 minutes. I'm going to check my onion. See? It's getting brown. See my onion getting brown. I'm going to put little bit more water. Does my onion not get burned? I'm going to mash with my spatula again, little bit more. See? Let it brown more. Now I'm going to add my turmeric, chili powder, cumin powder and the garam masala and coriander powder. I put a little bit more water to mix up my masalas and put the cover. Now I peel my tomato. I have to take out the skin of the tomato. I'm going to cut this tomato in a 2 pieces to grind in the grinder. I'm just add little bit more chili and little bit coriander. I'm going to add this tomato now in my onion and stir it well. I'm going to mash my yogurt little bit with the fork. Now I'm going to add the yogurt for give him the creamy taste. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons water again. I'm going to cover this for 2 minutes again. I'm just going to transfer this gravy in the big pan because I have to put the koftas also. I'm going to add 1 more cup of water. Let it boil for few minutes and I'm going to add half cup of more hot water. Let it cover for 2 minutes, then I want it get boiled properly. Now this kofta I'm going to add with my gravy. It get boiled now, little bit boils. You can see I'm going to add this kofta in my boiled gravy. Now I have to cover it for 15 minutes in the medium heat. Now is 15 minutes. I'm going to check my chicken. My kofta is not break. Okay. So maybe I'm going to put 5 more minutes like that to cover with the pan because I don't want kofta is not ready in the middle. Okay, let me put for 5 more minutes. It's already 5 minutes. I'm going to check my koftas right now. See, I'm going to check like that with the fork. Check. This is done. Yeah. This is done. You leave it like that for 5 minutes on the full heat. I want gravy little bit get thicker. See, now my kofta is ready. See, now the gravy is proper. I'm going to close the gas.